Hello everyone, I am Dr. Namra Anjum and today we're going to be talking about something very important. How you are overusing certain medicines without even knowing about it. These medicines are available over the counter, but that does not mean that they are not harming you and your organs. So let us look at the 3 most common medicines that you might be overusing. Number 1, painkillers. Paracetamol and ibuprofen are available in almost every household. But taking them long term without doctor's prescription can cause serious harm. Paracetamol is toxic to liver when it's used very regularly or in very high dosage. And ibuprofen can damage your gut lining and cause reflux acidity if stopped suddenly. So taking paracetamol for fever or headache once a month or once a week is okay. But taking it for chronic body pain or fever every day and every night, it's not okay. You need to see a doctor. Second is antacids. Antacids are something that we all find very harmless and very useful. But popping one antacid after every spicy meal and taking one every other day, it's not safe and it's not normal. And I would suggest that you should definitely see your doctor and go to the root cause of your problem that is causing this acidity. Because antacids, especially proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, cause a lot of problems like they reduce nutrient uptake from your gut like vitamin B12 and calcium. They make your body more susceptible to infections and they also cause reflux acidity. So antacid should only be taken when a doctor prescribes it and should never be used long term. And lastly, we have antibiotics. I see this all the time. People take antibiotics for viral infection, viral fever, sore throat, cold, but let me tell you, antibiotics do nothing for viral fever or any kind of infection that is caused from a virus source. So we should always see a doctor. Secondly, antibiotics overuse leads to antibiotic resistance in our body, which means that when we actually need an antibiotic, it will not work because our body and the bacteria has become already immune and resistant to those antibiotics. So it's very important that whenever a doctor writes you a prescription for antibiotics, you should take it and you should always complete the whole course. You should not leave it in between, otherwise next time you'll need a higher power of antibiotics to go with it. And also taking lots of antibiotics may reduce your kidney function and cause various other problems that you might not see until it's already progressed to a very high stage. One of the most important things that I see these days is people jumping straight to taking high degree, high potency medicines without trying to regulate their lifestyle and diet first. It's not the solution. We need to understand that taking medicine every day is not what is the secret to a healthy lifestyle. It's very important to have a balanced diet, a lifestyle, and also something that you can balance your work and life. And that can only happen if there's harmony between you, your work, and your personal life. So these are the 3 medicines that you had been overusing without even knowing. And I'm sure and I hope that in the future you will take care of it and you will not overuse them. So please leave a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more such content. Thank you so much.